Transgender activist Malem Thongam has urged 10 Kuki MLAs to withdraw their demands in case they are included in staking claim to form popular government in the state. Addressing a press meet held today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, the transgender activist further appealed the MLAs concerned to form a popular government under the idea of Manipur. Malem Thongam argued that the inclusion of 10 Kuki MLAs in a popular government without dropping their agenda of separate administration will pose a serious threat to the idea of Manipur. She also endorsed to the protest carried out by the volunteers of Imagi Maira yesterday in front of Thambal Sanglen against the BJP MLAs for considering only about their positions and waiting for the BJP's high command to form a popular government.
Ruling party MLA direct BJP ruling party support MLA MLA Tarasi Gapuna Karigumba popular government Asida Dengak Siminabagi Kudum Java Lapat Targadi Hide MLA Tarasina Mamanga Manipur Tugainaba Amadi state acidic separate administration ki demand Tanabatam Damoina Asobatokam Sindor Mamang Takasu Lakiba Maramaganda and the government Asida Sumakoina Karigumba Yoksaka Targa Sumakoina Yoksaka Iba Manipur Tugaibaki Wakalo Amagadana Karigumba and the popular government City of Pataragati Hosika issue asi Makata Nation Company have a say Haki with the Tazabalake, Aquina Pamzariba, Yunsing a Pamzariba, Manipur, Imasing a Pamzariba, Tabaka, Sing a Karigumba, 100 days, Habitat 100 days, I say I'm a popular, going to water money, Aduna popular government Ama, Karigumba, Pataragati, Mandaki, head was a global limit in 100 days, probably Mangamia, and Pambasing, Tabaka, you.